Using satellite and drone imagery, Aeroview has now identified areas of stress on the farm and within the orchard. Some individual trees showed more stress when compared with other trees in the same area. With the Aeroview Mobile Scout app, you can navigate directly to these trees and these areas to find the cause of the stress. To set up your Scout mission, click the New Route button. Then navigate to the top of the screen to give your Scout route a new name. Based on the variance of health in the field, you can place markers down anywhere that you would like to go investigate. To place markers, simply click anywhere on your field. Each marker is shown as a circle and they are all connected by dotted lines. This is your new Scout route. When you are happy with the route you have created, click Save Route. Once you have saved the route, you will be able to select a date to schedule a scout. You can also assign a route to a specific person by clicking on the drop-down menu and choosing a username. Once the route is set, you can always edit the route name and reschedule it for a future date. Or you could delete the route if needed. The assignee of the Scout mission will then get a notification on their Aeroview Mobile Scout app to say a new route has been assigned to them. You will then be able to navigate from one marker to the next following your Aeroview Mobile Scout app and add new markers that highlight the type of problem that is causing the stress in that area. You can add pest, disease, or irrigation markers. For more assistance with the Aeroview app, we have an array of different support videos to help you monitor and protect your farms.